Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can hide or delete conversation in Google Chat mobile. So you can open the Google Chat app if you have downloaded, but if you haven't download it, you can open the Gmail app. So to delete or hide the conversation, you can select the chat message that you want to hide or delete. For example, select this one. And you can select the name of the conversation and select hide conversation to hide the conversation, and delete conversation to just click on delete conversation to delete this conversation. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.